We are inspiration for the coming generations, providing opportunities with advanced infrastructure and dynamic positivity. Knowledge is power. We are Sigma Group of Institutes.
Hello, my dear Sigmaites, alumni, mentors, and young dynamic creative and innovation aspirants. I feel immense pleasure to become a medium of your satisfaction, your career, and your startup adventure. I appeal you all to be alert of such initiative support. You are the nation builders of tomorrow, and with same, keep the Sigma spirit alive. All the best.
My name is Rajat Singhadia. I am the founder of Highlight by Sociorack. I am a businessman, first generation entrepreneur with 31 years of experience. So it was a very interesting incident. I have a few other business verticals. So I was attending a conference for one of the other businesses I run. And some information popped up on my mobile. And natural instinct था उसको swipe कर दिया, thinking कि I'll come back and look at it once I am back at office the next day. But next day once I reach office, I could not find it. I spent quite some time trying to find it, but information was not found. So obviously everything happens for a reason. So you start thinking कि there has to be a better way to solve the problem. I asked some other tech people कि कोई और product है जो ये काम करता है. So I was told no. So then I asked other people, do they also face this problem? And a lot of people said yes, of course. So we said, okay. I had a team. We had a division where we do customized software and mobile apps. So we said, okay, let's try to create a solution. So we started working on that, and within about 7 to 8 months, we had a basic prototype on how to solve that problem. And that's how my journey began for Highlight and Sociorack. So, I was presenting at an event at MSU Leadership and Governance Council, and there somebody from Sigma was present there. And when I was presenting there what my concept was and what I'm building, so they really liked the idea, and then they approached me that, okay, what are you doing? Can we help you in any way? So we said, yes, of course. Making a product is never easy, and any and all kind of help and support is welcome. So then it was a very good thing which happened, because then as a result we got connected, and we have been connected since then. And I'm getting a lot of value addition from my association with Sigma. So the very fact that हम लोग इतने सारे products आज की तारीख में use कर रहे हैं, so every product is generating a lot of information, and that is a pain for most of us to manage. In fact, there are studies showing that the average user uses 10 different apps on any given day. and we as users spend more than 4 hours. That's a global statistics that we are spending more than 4 hours on our mobile phones every day. So if the global average is 4 hours, then there are people who are spending 7-8 hours. Now इतना टाइम अगर आप मोबाइल पे स्पेंड कर रहे हो, इतने अलग अलग ऐप यूज़ कर रहे हो, तो द कॉमन थिंग विच इज़ हैपनिंग इज लॉट ऑफ डेटा इज गेटिंग जनरेटेड. And when there's so much data getting generated, everything is not useful. In fact, there was a very interesting study conducted by some global research organizations which said that living in a digital world, we are all flooded with information. And we as users need barely 3 to 5% of the information we read or receive at any given day. Now the challenge is, how do you manage that 3 to 5%? It's like needle in a haystack. So that is the problem we are solving, to give you a way to manage that 3 to 5% which makes a difference and which will help you move forward in life. Whether it is your life as a student, as a life as a working professional, a businessman, a housewife, a senior citizen, information is something which all of us need, all of us live on, and we need such a product to help us make best use of it. So let me start and give you a real life example to help you best understand the utility of Highlight. So, but before I can make you understand, let me tell you what Highlight is made of. So the foundation of Highlight is made by combining the function of 6 different products we use today. Now, which are the 6 products? Number 1 is collaboration or chatting, which can be similar to any of the leading chat platforms we use today. Number 2 is note taking. So leading chat platforms can be